Hi, to fix not receiving notifications problem on the Huawei Band 9, you will need to open this Huawei Health app first, which is installed on your phone. Here on the bottom of the screen, switch to the Devices tab and make sure that your band is connected to this app, and if yes, you would see this tab with the name of your device and the battery percentage. Simply tap it, and after that go in the notifications and make sure that they are enabled. If they are, it will light up orange like in my case. If not, simply enable it by tapping on the switchers. So after that, make sure that do not disturb mode and sleep time or bedtime modes are disabled on your phone first. And for that, I'm just gonna swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. And here, swipe up again, and in my case, do not disturb mode and bedtime mode are disabled, so everything is alright. Also, you can go in the settings, find the Huawei Health app here, and after that check whether the notifications are allowed. If not, allow them by tapping on the switcher. And now we are gonna take our band and check some settings here. So first thing we can do is to check the not disturb mode and sleep mode as well. And for that I'm gonna press this side button. After that select these settings, and here firstly let's choose the not disturb mode, and yes, in my case it is disabled. Now let's go in this sleep mode and disable it, because in my case it is enabled, as you can see. So let's tap on the switcher to disable. Great. And now we just need to go in the notifications tab here, and we can enable this wake screen feature, so turn on screen when notifications are received. And if we scroll a bit, we'll see these notifications when the band is worn, so you will receive notifications only if you wear your band. So if you take it off and still want to receive notifications, you just need to disable this feature, just like that. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.